got trouble. We got trouble. What's up, guys? No, I'm here again with another video, and I'm actually in Volta region right now because I had to wake up super early and it was way dark. I couldn't record at that time, so we just at a stop right here. That's my bus at the back. So we're going to Hohoi, Willy Waterfalls. I've been there, but we're also making a stop at the monkey sanctuary. That's what this vlog is actually about. So I'm going to do a little video of the Willy Waterfalls, then I'll do a full video on the Tafi, on the monkey sanctuary. That's the whole point of this video. So I'll see you. What's up, guys? We just got to the monkey sanctuary and that was our first stop. This is our first stop actually. Then after we'll go to the Willy Waterfalls. So yeah, I hope these monkeys don't take my camera.
Wait, I'm selling my banana. Wait. From the banana, I'm selling my banana. I'll sell it.
Charlie, clean up. Clean up.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you.
It's so tree that it's running.
Yeah, there's like a cave to it. So there are actually 13 monkey families at this side. Like at this sanctuary, there's 13 families. Yeah, the rain is not good there. Huh?
Why do you have another one? Looks like a friend of mine. Why don't you smile? Yeah, you guys are not smiling. You just are when you just go, I feel like you mute me. You just came for the banana.
Get it. What's up, guys? So here's our next destination. We're at Mountain Afadjato, the highest mountain in West Africa. Yeah, and we're going to do the climb, and it's so wet, like it rains so bad, so I don't know, it's going to be very difficult climbing. Yeah, for one of us.
We got everything we need, right? Watch me, dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, watch it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need, right?
The route to the first mountain, and this is the way to the top on the mountain of Afadjato. That's where I'm going. Oh my. Ooh. Now that's nice. Yeah. So we are at the 3/4 of the mountain. We're almost there. We're like ready? Oh, okay. Yeah. We're almost at the top. Yeah. Thanks. Oh, what a beauty. Just got to the top. So that's Mountain Afadjato, the highest summit.
Where is you've made it? Where is it?
Oh no, this is just so you just take a pic. You just stand here and take a pic.
So apparently this is the highest mountain bar. I don't know, I think no one is able to climb it. So this is actually the highest in West Africa.
Hello, please tell me one thing.
We got trouble. We got trouble. It's raining. We made it to the end. Yeah, so just got to Willy Waterfalls. Oh man, it's too late. I mean, we're gonna get back like super late, and it's still like raining. So I think we're just gonna do the walk to the lower waterfalls, then come back, then head straight to Accra. Man, it feels good to be back home. Not my home, but you know, I've been here, and it feels good to come back and see it again. I mean, how can you come back here anytime? The best.
But it's very far.
Yeah, it's very far. So we got bad news. Bad news, bad news, bad news. So apparently this man got flooding like 3 days ago. Like got flooded, like came all the way to that side. So we're taking precautions not to go to the waterfalls. You know, it doesn't, so that it doesn't overflow and being get stuck. We don't want to get stuck here, so I think we're going back. Yeah, we're going back. It's sad.